I don't know how I ever used a beauty sponge without the beauty gripper because after this video and seeing how disgusting my hands were, I am appalled. Hi everyone, I'm Sydney. You may recognize me from the collections I've shot with Tammy Taylor Nails. I'm so excited to show you guys how clean the beauty gripper keeps your nails. Tammy Taylor came out with this amazing product that keeps your nails clean when you do your makeup. Today I'm going to do a full coverage makeup look. On the right side I'm using the beauty gripper, and on the left side I'm just going to use my hands without the beauty gripper. Let's get started! Starting out with primer. I love that the beauty gripper comes in a 2-pack because I have one for my concealer sponge and one for my foundation sponge. So I've always been obsessed with having my nails done because my mom's always done my nails for me. So it's really important that I keep them clean. Now I'm going to highlight. So I couldn't pick one highlighter, so I have two. And I'm just going to put that on my little sponge and put it on. I like to highlight on my brow bone, my cheekbone, and then a little bit on my nose. And then I kind of just touch the chin and the forehead a little bit. So I just finished the right side of my face using the beauty gripper, and now I'm going to do the left side without the beauty gripper. It's really hard without the beauty gripper getting in the small crevices because I feel like I'm gonna poke my eyes out. And I can already see that my nails are already getting dirty. The one thing I like about the beauty gripper is that I don't have to set it down on the counter like this, and I can just put it in the beauty gripper. there's a big difference between the two. This one's way dirtier than the hand that I used for the beauty gripper. This one looks exactly the same. And this one, it's disgusting. I can definitely see the foundation, the highlighter, the contour, all under my nails and over them. I don't know how I did it without a beauty gripper before. So now I'm gonna have Megan wipe off my hands. We're gonna do the one that I use a beauty gripper with first. There's no makeup on here, I can't believe it. It's clean with the beauty gripper. Now we're gonna wipe off the hand without the beauty gripper, and it already looks dirty, so let's see how dirty it is on the wipe. I cannot believe how dirty this wipe is from wiping the hand that I didn't use with the beauty gripper, and there's still stuff underneath my nails. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna go over everything about the beauty gripper. So I did a full face of makeup. It looks bomb. With the beauty gripper, I felt like I can get in all the small little areas without poking my eyes out from my nails, and my nails stayed really clean while using it, and that way I don't stain my nails over time. And I like that the beauty gripper can stand up because I don't want to set it on my dirty counter or anything like that. The beauty gripper is washable and disinfectable, so you don't have to worry about any germs getting on your face or your hands while you're doing your makeup. If you have nails, you need this. If you don't have nails, you still need this. The beauty gripper is life-changing. I had so much fun today using the beauty gripper while doing my makeup. If you guys don't have one, you guys need to go get one. Bye everyone.